Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. Right now we're taking a look at a really nice Craftsman chainsaw. Starts easily, runs great, cuts great. Would be an awesome piece for your collection or to use in the backyard and the camp. A really truly nice Craftsman chainsaw at a very affordable price. Starts easy, has no issues, a ready to go saw, wonderful for the backyard or the camp or your personal collection. Click on the link below for pictures and details on how to buy this fine saw right now for only $119.99 plus shipping. That's right, only $119.99 plus shipping puts this on your doorstep today. We also sell internationally with eBay international shipping. So if you need this saw, you want this saw, it's yours. Just click on that tab below, buy it now, and it will be on its way before you can blink your eyes. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.